2023 Racing Street product, which will be our RS10 product. Again, in terms of naming, we have opted for a simplified version of naming in order to have our customers understand more clearly our lineup, and that's why our Racing Street product is now called the RS10, and to be in line with S for sport, T for touring, and A for adventure, to have our customer a better understanding of directly know what product we talk about for what segment. So our RS10 is our new Racing Street product, which is targeting high drive performance, mainly for the road, but also with a very link to the track, which is basically allowing the end users to go from the road to the track, from track to the road, with a single same tire. The ultimate drive performance obviously was the target, and the objectives were going towards for the road and for the racetrack, with a basically very sporty tire, very sporty handling and feeling, which is enhancing dry grip, and with our additional way of working and construction, to have a better contact patch and have additional grip to the end users. For this product, we have opted the same kind of 3D grooves as we had on the R10, which is our racing groove product, with slight modifications in terms of alignments, which was optimized to have greater stability, both in lean angle and acceleration, and also have a more consistent and predictable feeling for the riders when accelerating and when using at top performance. So here we have some small details about these 3D grooves, which are quite original, and we've been studying those to provide the best performance depending on the lean angle and on the need of the tires in terms of acceleration. Basically, additional small grooves were added on the sidewall of the tires, which is basically forcing the rubber compound to have some reaction and to heat up in a faster way, which is providing us a quick warm-up performance to perform as quick as possible in the best way for the end users, both on road and on track. We have also adapted some small modifications in terms of crown shape of the product to provide a better contact patch and a full lean angle, basically. Construction-wise, we have been working on the actual construction of the BTO03 in order to provide basically the monospire belt, which is adopted for both products, but has been reinforced for a more stiffer monospire belt for the front tire, which is providing a more stability in the braking zones and in the cornering areas, which is obviously very important for sporty usage, to have the feedback to the rider itself and very good stability both in entering braking and entering corners. The rear tire, we have applied what we have already used in some other tires, the cap and base, which is basically using a stiffer rubber in the middle, but not the construction part, which is basically allowing us to have a more stable part in the middle, but all the compound is a single layer compound, which is more soft and more grippy oriented. So this is basically the concept of cap and base, a different way of doing it. And the old compound we have used is a revised, optimized compound in order to provide the best road track dry grip performance in order to work in basically road conditions, but also on track and hot conditions for those that want to shift towards from the road to the track in some cases. So basically on the whole overall performance, our tire RS10 is basically 1.5 seconds average faster than a BTO03. Obviously, top performance riders would go towards a 100% racing tire, but in this case, this product is meant to very sporty riders which are going on the street, but occasionally also to the track performance, and already providing a very good level of grip and performance to enjoy some occasional track days. Basically, and that's our new racing street product that we are very proud to launch next year. Available sizes of front 120 70 and rear 190 55 and 255 for the obviously bigger super bikes that are available in the market today.